Hey guys, welcome to Tech Proof. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Davinci Resolve and how to install the new version Davinci Resolve 17. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just search on Google for Davinci Resolve, and then you just want to go ahead and click the first site that comes up, so Davinci Resolve 17, and it'll take you just to the Blackmagic Design site, which has all the information about Davinci Resolve and how some of its features and newer features work. So then you can just click download now and choose which version you want. Today we'll be installing Davinci Resolve 17 and the beta version, as it isn't fully released, but it will be soon, and then you can get that updated. Now here you just want to put in all your details, and yeah, so I'll just get back to you guys once I'm done putting all this and I get the install file. So here we are on the other screen where it'll just get you the install file. So it'll just automatically show it up on your downloads, and you can choose where you want to install it. If it doesn't, you can just use the link on the bottom with that button to install it manually. So I've decided to install it on my desktop, and I'll get back to you guys once it's done installing. So here we have the application done installing, and it's now on my desktop in a zip folder. So what you want to do is you want to extract the folder to get it into a regular folder, and it'll take a little bit of time, but once it's done, you'll just have a simple program like this that you can then run. So you just want to double click it, and again, this will take a little bit of time. On my laptop it did take a little bit longer, but sometimes it may take less time, but it shouldn't take more than like 2-3 minutes max, and it really should only take about 30 seconds to actually load up the program and get that started. So once that program basically opens up, it's basically just an installer for it. So as you can see now, it shows that it's extracting the application, and basically that'll just help you install Davinci Resolve and choose what you want to install and what you don't want to install. So now it'll basically just show the option to allow the application to run. So just click yes and accept that. And now as you can see on the bottom, it's now there, and you can decide what you want to install. So you really don't need the control panels or the Blackmagic Raw player. So I'm just going to install Davinci Resolve 17. So you just want to go ahead and click install, and it's going to run the Windows installer, and then I'll just run you through the steps. Really easy to download, and it's not really complicated. Then you just want to accept to all the agreements, choose where you want to install it, and it'll just be done installing really quick. It'll just do a check to make sure everything's good. And then you can go ahead and clean up your desktop and whatever. You can remove such stuff like the Davinci Resolve Project Manager from your desktop. And then you can go ahead and open Davinci Resolve, the program itself, which is an amazing video editor application. And I really think it really, in some ways, is better than Premiere. And the best part is that there is a free version, and it's really easy and nice to use. So this is Davinci Resolve 17. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video on how to install Davinci Resolve 17. If you guys liked today's video and you'd like to see more videos from us, please be sure to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, that's it for today's video.